Wisatawan sane nuenang asu Beagle, sane madan Messi, ical dawek tanggal 17 Juni sane lintang. Genah asu punika ical ring pantai kubur ketewel Gianyar.
Asu Beagle punika madan Messi sampun galah aminggu ical. Sane nuenang asu Beagle punika Martin pinaka warga negara asing sayaga ngicen upah 14 juta rupiah yening asun nyane kepanggihan kantun hidup. Martin banget mempengabdi wenten kramel sanesida manggihan asu ipun.
Hello, my name's Martin. This is Macy. She's my beagle. Macy has been missing now for a week. I love her very much. I miss her and I really need her to come home. So please, please, please help me find Macy. You can contact us on WhatsApp on 085 739 570018. Please help me find Macy. Thank you.
Sapusire kramel sanesida manggin asu punika mangdeng ningayang ring nomor WA 085 739 570 018. Agung Ria, Bali TV.